Hey everyone, it's Noe and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the glow-in-the-dark slime kit from Original Stationery. So let's get to it. First, when I opened the box, I found this glow-in-the-dark charger. So when you put it to the slime, it charges it. So we're going to have to see that when we turn off the lights. I bet it's going to be super exciting. Next thing is we have the glow-in-the-dark slime kit instructions. Our activator, I already added warm water to it so it could dissolve the activator so that it was ready. Once you're ready to use your activator, you put this cap on instead so that you can squirt it out into your slime. Then we have the banana boogie scent. That's kind of funny, it's a funny name. Then we have the pineapple punch scent. We have orange beads, green beads, pink beads, yellow beads, and black beads. All of these neon sparkles, foam cubes, our glue, mixers, and a measuring spoon. We have these little bags, containers, our measuring cup, foil sheets, which I'm super excited to use. I've heard so many cool things about them. So they're inside, I'm not gonna show them quite yet. Then we have these different sequins or sparkles. We have tropical sprinkles, they're super cool and neon-y. Then we have neon yellow clay, pink clay, neon green clay, neon orange clay, neon yellow glow-in-the-dark powder, neon pink glow-in-the-dark powder, neon green, and neon orange glow-in-the-dark powder. So this looks like a super exciting box. I'm super excited to use all of the glow-in-the-dark stuff. So let's get to it. Bye guys!